Okay, 5 shortcuts to use when doing web design on a Chromebook. All right, the first one, to open up your files folder, okay, we're going to do Alt Shift M. Alt Shift M. Okay, so that's going to open up your file folder. All right, the next one, if you're trying to open up a program that's on your Chromebook, just Shift Search. That's the magnifying glass. All right, that's going to open up your program here. All right, so I'm going to open up text because this is how I do the websites. All right, here's my page 2. Okay, then I'm going to go back to the folder, Alt Shift M. All right, in my downloads folder, there's page 2. If I double click here, we'll open a browser. All right, so I'm checking out my browser. I notice it says welcome to my sites. So it should say welcome to my site. So here is your third shortcut, Alt Tab. Okay, and that just shuffles through the pages that you have open. Okay, so I can find my text right here. Okay, now I'm going to take that S off of sites. All right, fourth commonly used keyboard shortcut here would be Control S. All right, that's save. We use that everywhere. Okay, then I go back to my browser page, and to refresh, make sure I'm in the browser, Control R. Okay, Control R to refresh, Control save. So there are 5 keyboard shortcuts when doing web design on your Chromebook.